2K Sports so proudly presents this PGA Tour event. Today's coverage of the Royal Championship is about to begin. Delighted you're able to join us for this first round action. Hello everyone, Luke Elvey alongside Rich Beam, and Rich, this FedEx Cup season has been a beauty for this player. Handling it nicely, don't seem to be under any real pressure.
No, they've been going along quite smoothly this season. I have to say I'm very impressed. I'm looking forward to seeing them compete in the FedEx Cup playoffs.
Can't wait to see what unfolds. And let's see what he can do here today. Oh, well played. Playing from around 110 yards out. Looks to have chosen the 7-iron.
Just needs a little bit more of a kick to the right.
Now that looked pretty good the whole way. This putt is about 17 feet long. This one has eyes for the hole. That's pretty fancy. Nice start.
Absolutely. Love to see those going in early. Sets the tone for the rest of the day.
Well, that's a lovely way to get going. They've already started this event under par.
Can't birdie them all unless you birdie the first, Luke. Good start.
Here we are at the second tee. This player's got some lovely momentum coming off a birdie at the last.
Yep, that'll work. That's fine.
Time to recap Bryson DeChambeau's effort from just a little while ago.
This is his third.
Wonderful effort. Let's get back to it, shall we? Time for the second shot here on the second hole. Choosing the 9-iron here. That's a shame. Had a chance to hit the green, but couldn't quite get there.
Yeah, it took a bit too much club on that one.
Oh, well played.
You better believe it is great stuff to watch.
You'll take the tap in for par any day. And with that, he's now broken the tie, all alone at the top of the leaderboard. Time to step on your tee shot here at this long par 4.
That swing reminded me of smooth jazz. Great rhythm.
This shot now being played from the fairway bunker. I might need to get a lesson of you. That was well played. Getting ready to play their third. Oh, that's a high caliber shot. He has this putt to save his par. And that putt will drop. Well done.
John, talk to us. What do you got for us?
Well, I'm down on the 4th, and this is Tony Finau.
You've left yourself a long way between the holes, so let's get this one close. How good would that have been if it had dropped? And after that effort, this is how the field is shaping up. Ooh, I always love these holes. Here we have a par 3. Going with the 5-iron here. Handy effort, that one. Always love these opportunities, especially when it's for birdie. That's frustrating. And that should secure the par. Well done. And after that effort, let's take a look at how it stands. Leading by a shot after that hole. We've arrived at a par 4 hole. And after a par at the last, chance to maybe take a step in the right direction here. This one's looking good off the tee. That should find the short stuff. Lining up from around 160 yards. Going with the 7. This one might need to set. Absolutely flushed. And John, how long's this putt? It seems to be a fair way.
I'm going to say 31 feet or so to the cup from here.
What a disappointment. And that brings to an end that hole. Our current leader is enjoying a one-shot lead. Time to tee off at the 6th. And after that par, they're looking for something good here. Looks like they've got the 5-wood. That approach didn't seem to fit their eye.
Coming up a little short with that effort. Not bad, though. He's a sharp shooter from short range, isn't he?
Well, there's action aplenty all over the course. Let's have a look at this highlight from another player. Bryson DeChambeau now with one of the great highlights of the day. Well, that's a bonus. Mark that down on the card. And back to the course with the live action.
This would be a momentum saver here, getting this up and down.
Well, this would be a good one to make. It's for par. This one's dialed in. Oh, that's pure heart. Great fight to make that putt.
Good par save there from the greenside bunker. Job well done.
And still in top spot after that hole. Keep it going. We have a par 5 here. Time to take advantage.
No harm, no foul there with that shot.
Second shot here on the 7th. And here we are with the third shot. That's a high-quality recovery shot.
Oh, Dr. Chapinski strikes again.
And another one goes. And with it, an increase of his lead. And with it, he'll move to a couple under par. And this effort by Justin Thomas. A chance now from the bunker for an up and down. Ow! That goes down for an eagle.
Oh, trying to hit a little punch shot, and they do to perfection. What a shot indeed.
And with that hole behind us, let's have a look at the contenders and the pretenders. Our current leader is enjoying a two-stroke lead.
The lead continues to grow. This is simply amazing. That is right down the sprinkler line.
Playing to an elevated green here. Let's see if they've got the right club. Oh, this one should find the surface. Good shot, this. Oh, that's well played into birdie range here at the 8th.
Luke, nothing gets past you. Yes, this kid is a stud. Let's go to our man John on the ground. There's something brewing down there. Let's find out what it is.
Hey guys, I'm over here on the 9th. This is Tony Finau's next shot.
Oh, lovely roll. And after this hole, that's how it looks. And after that hole, you're now 3 shots clear of Patrick Cantlay. We've reached the 9th hole. Time to tee off. Going with the 5-wood. Pay attention, folks. That's how you play golf.
Almost a gimme birdie there, Luke. Fantastic.
Nice one. 4th birdie of the day. And with that, he'll move to 4 under par. Well, Rich, as we make the turn to the back 9, what are your thoughts so far?
I got to say, every facet of this player's game was in great shape today. Lots of golf yet to be played. Looking forward to watching it.
Always positive coming off a birdie. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I could watch that swing all day. That's beautiful. Coming off a string of 3 birdies. Looks like they're going with the pitching wedge.
Nothing good out on the right-hand side, Luke. This headed for trouble.
Didn't quite strike that as cleanly as they would have hoped.
Oh, a little shorty Baker on that action there.
This is their 5th shot. You're kidding me. Did he hold that?
Chip in for birdie. That's always a nice feeling.
Let's return to live play now. This would be a great up and down from this spot. Well, a 9-foot chance here.
Their short game has been very impressive. They've kept this player inside the top 10 all day long because of it.
Oh, wonderful effort. Confirms the par. Managing to maintain their position on the leaderboard after that effort. This hole is a par 5. Playing from around 240 yards.
Up the hill to an elevated green, they're going to need to take a little extra club to get it all the way back to this pin.
Well, that's big boy golf right there.
Using all of his muscles to get that one home in 2.
Oh, this is exciting. A putt for an eagle. That's disappointing.
Downhill putt, and sometimes you think it's going to run out more than it does. Just couldn't quite figure it out this time.
He sits in first position. And they'd be feeling buoyed with confidence after that birdie. Here's a good chance to maintain the momentum. Lovely rhythm there, Rich. That's going to work every time. And this effort by Justin Thomas. That's in the sand. Handy out of the bunker there. Okay, let's get back to the action. From around 170 yards here. Opting for the 6-iron. Come on, look after us. Little bounce to the right here. Okay, not the best result, but a chance to get up and down.
Needed to take a little less club on that approach.
Sitting at 5 under for the day. Currently in the lead. Well, that's very crafty, isn't it?
Judging it beautifully.
Yeah, well holed. Let's move on to the next. Leading by 4 strokes after that one. Here we find ourselves on the tee of a long par 4. That should find the fairway. Our man on the ground, John, he's down there. What's the news?
Well, guys, I'm down here on the 14th, and this is Tony Finau. 40 feet to go.
Looking really good. Shame it didn't drop. You'll happily just go ahead and tap that in. Time for the second shot here at the 13th. Looks to be going with the 5-iron. Oh, that was left all the way off the club. Yeah, not a bad shot, that one.
Outside chance here for the birdie.
Ouch, that hurts. And this putt coming up for his par. Well, that hole's behind us. More to play. Currently at -5 now for the day. All right, getting into our final stretch. Time to tee off here at the 14th. That was absolutely murdered. Looks to be going with the 6 iron. Looks like this one's going to the beach. Not sure if that's what they're intending to do.
Missing it short there. They will definitely be upset.
Okay, so that's step 1, but now got to hold a mid-range putt. And there it is. And this is quality play, still on top of the leaderboard. Teeing off here at the 15th hole. And this effort by Justin Thomas. Ooh, sometimes you need a hacksaw to get out of this rough.
He's going to have to go down after this one, try and dig it out as best he can and hope for the best. Yikes!
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, and up he goes, marching to the top of the leaderboard. Let's get back to it, shall we? Time for the second shot at the 15th. Getting ready to play their third. Yep, give yourself a pat on the back. This putt just 5 feet away from the hole. Always nice to hold those for a birdie. And that will move him to 6 under par. Our leader is out in front by a whopping 5 strokes. Lovely momentum for this player after that birdie at the last hole. Keep it rolling. Hoping for a bounce here, preferably to the left. Not a bad approach. Grab the putter from the caddy. You're dancing.
There's a long way, but I tell you what, I've seen it happen before, so there's a chance.
Looked like they hinged in that stroke. Nicely holed, and for par. There's been action all day on this golf course, but what about this shot at the 17th? Looking forward to seeing what Tony Finau does here, Rich. Let's see if they manage to play a good shot out of this fairway trap. When a player hits a shot of that caliber, you just want to have another look, don't you? And after that hole, this is how the leaderboard looks. Our leader is up by a whopping 6 shots now. This hole here is a par 4. Quality shot, that one. Playing from around 160 yards. Looks to have chosen the 7-iron. Oh, what a wonderful shot into the 17th and sets up another putt inside birdie range. Oh, what a round this is. 7 birdies today. And that will take him to 7 under. Currently in first position. All right, one more hole to go. Let's see how you handle the 18th.
Luke, this player coming off a birdie on the last hole, getting some momentum going their direction.
Well, I like the look of the line here. This should find the fairway. This one might roll into the rough. This line doesn't look too tough, just in the first cut, right by the green. How close was that to going in the hole? Great shot. Lining up the birdie putt here. It's got a chance. And with that, this round comes to a close. And that'll do it. Lovely start to the opening round. In top spot, but there's a whole bunch of people right over their shoulder.
Oh, it's been sparkling, hasn't it? It's been a pleasure to watch. It's got to be a little strange, though, having such a massive lead, because there's only one way to go, and that's down. Let's see how they handle the pressure on the final round.
Well, on behalf of myself, Luke Elvey, and Rich Beam, thanks for tuning in. Catch you tomorrow.